Hello, 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 hello everyone. Hello. We will continue with our class today. On what we have been doing about angle properties of a circle. Yesterday we introduced ourselves to angle properties of a circle. And we learned about various properties of a circle. And these properties that we discussed yesterday is what we are going to continue with today. So you are welcome to participate fully in our lesson, so that we can have a lap on what we have been doing. Yesterday we were discussing about angle properties of a circle. Angle properties of a circle. And as we said yesterday, we learned about different properties. We said that angles subtended by the same chord are equal. We also said that an angle subtended at the center of the circle by a chord is twice the angle subtended at the circumference of the circle. So right now, we are going to learn on more and more examples on angle properties of a circle. So I want you to be settled, be prepared, so that we can continue with angle properties of a circle. We can do more and more examples so that we can embark on another topic. So we are going to do another example, and the example that we are going to do today will be the question done in the year tufanye hii. Let us first do 1996 paper 1 number 5. 1996 paper 1 number 5. Paper 1 number 5, and the question reads in the figure below. I hope you can hear me. In the figure below, in the figure below, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and BD is a diagonal. And BD is a diagonal. EADF is a straight line angle CDF is equal to 68 degrees, comma, angle BDC is equal to 45 degrees, and angle BAE is equal to 98 degrees. I hope you have written that down. So the next question reads, now let us have our diagram. I hope mshaandika swali. I hope you have already written down the question. So we can now draw our diagram. So our diagram is like this. We have a circle, then we have a chord that cuts like that, and our chord is FE. Then we have a cyclic quadrilateral, this one is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D. Then we have another line here. We have this angle as 68 degrees, as we have been told. We have another angle here as 45 degrees. We also have another angle here as 98 degrees. So calculate the size of A is angle ABD. A is angle ABD, 2 marks. A is angle ABD, 2 marks. Oh, okay. And you write, if you have a made familiar, go to question. You can rewind the video. Try and rewind the video to get the full access. Try and rewind the video, get the question yote. Just in case hautaipata, I'm going to share the question later. So calculate the size of angle ABD. Calculate the size of angle ABD. So we said that in this situation, we are supposed to find the angle of side ABD. So this is the angle we are supposed to find. This is the angle we are supposed to find. And in this angle, let me try and check whether I can use a highlighter. In this case, yes, that is the angle that we are supposed to determine. So what we are going to do now, we are going to check out. We have this angle here as 90. We have, yeah, this one is 45, this one is 68, this one is 98. So for us to determine this angle here, I want you to check this one out. This 68 degrees here, we have 68 degrees here. So this angle and this angle here are on 2 alternate segments. So these 2 angles, 68 here and this angle here, if you can see clearly, hello, check this one out, 68 and 68. Those 2 angles are on alternate segment. Haya, this angle is 98 degrees. So for us to get this angle, it is going to be 180 degrees minus 98 degrees. You can try and do that one. 180 degrees minus 98 degrees. Why? Because we say that angles on a straight line add up to 180. So 180 minus 98 degrees is going to give us 82 degrees. So with this one, we have this one as 82 degrees. So this angle being 82 degrees, we said that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles is cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral are equal, are supplementary, sorry, are supplementary. What does that mean? If this angle is 82, this angle here, remember ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this angle here is 82 degrees, this angle here is going to be 180 minus 82. This angle here is still going to be 98 degrees. This angle will be 98 degrees. So if this angle is going to be 98 degrees, if we can add the two, 45 plus 98, we are going to get 45 degrees plus 98 degrees. We are going to get 45 plus 98 will be 143 degrees. And when we get that as 143 degrees, this is a triangle. And we know that interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So what is 180 degrees minus 143 degrees? So 180 minus answer, we will get 37 degrees. So this angle here is equal to 37 degrees. That angle is 37 degrees. So let us proceed and see how we are going to get this one. This angle which we are seeing here is 68 degrees and this one is 45 degrees. So these are angles on a straight line. These are angles on a straight line. And these angles on a straight line, that means 68 plus 45 plus x or plus y is equal to 180. 68 plus 45 plus y is equals to 180. So if you add 68 plus 45, we will get 113 plus y is equal to 180. So our y will be equal to 180 minus 113, which will be equal to 67 degrees. This angle here will be equal to 67 degrees. So when we get this angle as 67 degrees, for us to get this one, x, remember angles on a straight line, no, interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So we will just add 67 plus 82 plus x should be equal to 180. So our x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 67 plus 82. 180 minus 67 plus 82. So 67 plus 82 is equal to 149. Then 180 minus answer will be equal to 31 degrees. So angle ABD is equal to 31 degrees. Angle ABD is equal to 31 degrees. Angle ABD is equal to 31 degrees. So even without all this working, hapa tungekuja tu direct tupate hiyo angles on a straight line, then we add this and this, then we subtract from 180. So by having that, we are being asked angle CBD. Hata tushapata CBD. Angle CBD, check out. Angle CBD, 2 marks. In the process hata tuliipata. CBD is 37 degrees. 37 degrees. And how did we get it? Having this one as 82, we said that in opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So this being 82 degrees, this will be 98. Then 45 plus 98, then subtract the sum of these two from 180 degrees, we will get 37 degrees. So that is how we respond to that question. Let us do another example. Are you? We do another example. I want us to do another example. Are you done? Done. Okay. So we are going to do another question on a question that was done in the year 2017, paper 2, number 5. The question reads, in the figure below, comma, PQRS a cyclic quadrilateral PQ equals QR and angle PQR is equal to 105 degrees, and PS is parallel to QR. PS, this one is parallel to this one. We have this one and we have this one. This one is equal to this one, and this angle here is 105 degrees. So that is how it looks like. Then we are told determine the size of A angle PSR. Angle PSR 1 mark. So for us to determine angle PSR, so where is, this one is a cyclic quadrilateral. Hapa kuna line imeshikana hapa. PSR, hii yote PSR. Remember we said that the opposite angles, the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So it means that this angle here plus this should be equal to 180. So 105 degrees plus x should be equal to 180. So for us to get x, we are going to take 105 to the other side and get x is equal to 180 degrees minus 105 degrees. And we will get our x as 75 degrees. 75 degrees. We will get our x as 75 degrees. So our x here is 75 degrees. So when we get our x as 75 degrees, if you get your angle as 75 degrees, let us proceed to the next question. Angle PQS. Angle PQS. Still 1 mark. The reason naanza na hizi ndogo dogo 3 marks is so that by the time we are now engaging hii kubwa, you will have a clue. So let us continue. PQS. So PQS is which angle? PQS. This angle alone. The whole of this angle, I want you to understand, the whole of this angle is 105. but we are supposed to determine this angle alone, PQS. So these two lines here, we were told they are equal, PQ and QR. So it means that this one is an isosceles triangle. So it means that the two base angles here and here are equal. And that means because this is an isosceles triangle, the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. Therefore, A plus 105 is equals to 180. A plus A is 2A plus 105 is equal to 180. So take this to the other side and we will have 2A is equal to 180 minus 105. Then 75 we divide by 2. We will get A is 37.5. So this angle alone here will be equal to 37.5. So when we get this angle is 37.5, also this one here will be 37.5. So if you check this one clearly, you will realize that this angle here, these are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. The whole of this angle is 105. Acha nifute hii nionyeshe vizuri. This whole angle here is 105 degrees, but we need this angle alone. Tunataka hii peke yake. We need this angle alone. This one, hii peke yake. Hii yote ni 105. So this is what we are going to do. If this angle here, this angle 37.5 is being subtended, you can see clearly this one is being subtended by this, and the same chord QR is the one that is subtending this one. So even this one alone here is 37.5 degrees. I hope you can see that. This one also is going to be 37.5 degrees. So if the whole of this is 75, therefore it means that also this one is going to be 37.5 degrees. You can see that this is 37.5. This one here is 37.5. Haya. This one is 37.5. This one is 37.5. The whole of this is 105. Then these two angles, this is a parallel line and this is a parallel line. So this angle is alternating with this angle. These are Z angles. So also this one is 37.5 degrees. And if these two are parallel lines, you can see this. These two are parallel lines. So this one is alternating with this one. So we need this one alone. Tunataka hii peke yake. Hii peke yake. We need this one alone. So for us to get this one alone, we can use the concept of cointerior angles. If this is 37.5, 37.5, it means that this whole angle here is 75. Not 75. 37.5 plus 37.5 is going to be, yeah, it will be 75 degrees. 75 degrees, this should be a total of this, and this should give us 180. So if this one is 75 here, even the whole of this should also be 105. It should also be 105. So we will take 105 minus 37.5. 105 so this one is 75. 180 minus 75 is 105. Then minus 37.5, we will get 67.5. This angle here will be 67.5. So if this angle is 67.5, you can see this one. This angle being 67.5 being subtended by this arc, That means also this one being subtended by the same arc will be 67.5 degrees. It will be 67.5. Why? Because it has been subtended by the same arc or by the same chord. So if this one is 67.5, this also is 67.5. So angle PQS is equal to 67.5 degrees. 67.5 degrees. 67.5 degrees. If you are done, we will continue doing another one. We can do another question. Well, let us do another question. Let us do another one. These questions are huge. Hata hazitoshei kwa ubao. Maswali ni makubwa, hayatoshei hata kwa ubao. Hayatoshei kwa ubao. Haya, tumeelewa hayo mawili tumefanya. Have we understood? Have we understood? Haya, tumeelewa hayo mawili tumefanya. Have we understood? Have we understood? Hello? 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 Haya, tuendelee. Another example. Pa kuna zingine ndefu. Sijui zitaandikika aje. 2021 paper 2 number 19. 2021 paper 2 number 19. 2021 paper 2 number 19. In the figure below, points A, B, C, D A, B, C, D and E lie on the circumference of a circle center O. Line FAG is a tangent to the circle at A. Chord DE of the circle is produced to intersect with the tangent at F. Angle FAE is equals to 30 degrees. Angle EDC is equal to 110 degrees. And angle OCB is equal to 55 degrees. Full stop. A, determine the size of angle AEC, 3 marks. That is Roman 1. Roman 2, angle AEB, 3 marks. Then you can also write down part B. Cha tuandike maswali yote tukichora diagram, tuchore mara moja. Given that AB equals 5 centimeter, ED equals 4.4 centimeters, and FE equals 2.5 centimeters. Full stop. Calculate correct to 1 decimal place the radius of the circle. Two marks. And Roman 2, the length of line AF. The length of line AF, 2 marks. I hope you have copied the question. Copy the whole of it. Then we can proceed with the calculations. Are you done copying? 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 Done. Are you done copying? Are you done copying? Are you done copying? Are you done copying? Done. Are you done copying? Are you done copying? Are you done copying? Are you done? Haya, let us now draw. That one is a tangent. G A DE F This one is center O. Then we have 55 degrees. I don't want to make the mistake I made yesterday, so I'm being extra careful. I think that is how it is like. I've drawn all the details. Your diagram inafaa iwe hivyo. Haya. So tuendelee. So the question reads, in the figure below, point A, B, C and E lie on the circumference of the circle center O. So we have A, B, C, D and E lie on the circumference, that is true, of circle center O. Line FAG is a tangent to the circle at A, that is true. Chord DE of the circle is produced to intersect with the tangent at F, correct. Chord DE is produced to intersect with the tangent at F. So where they are intersecting is F. Then the next question, angle FAE is 30. FAE is 30. The next one, angle EDC is 110. EDC is 110. And the next one, angle OCB is 55. Angle OCB is 55 degrees. So the question asks, Roman 1, calculate angle AEC. AEC. 3 marks. So tutaenda polepole tu. AEC. AEC is the whole of this angle. AEC is the whole of this angle. Let's mark it with a highlighter. You can say it is that angle which is X. AEC. So tutaenda tu polepole. Polepole ndio mwendo. Polepole ndio mwendo. Check here. This alone, BCDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. It's a cyclic quadrilateral. If you check clearly, BCDE, that alone, like that, is a cyclic quadrilateral. What does that mean? If this one is 110, this one is going to be 70. We don't have to continue doing those calculations. Sahi unajua mbona ni 70, because the supplementary or the cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. So this one is 70. Sindio? So tukipata hiyo, tukuje hapa. Tunaenda polepole tu. Finally tunataka hii angle yote. Hii angle yote. You can see this whole angle. So having this one as 70, let us check another relationship that we have. This is the radius. This one here is the radius. This one is the radius here. So another cyclic quadrilateral is ABCE. ABCE is also a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCE is also a cyclic quadrilateral. This one. So in this scenario, hii tujapewa yote. Hii tujapewa yote. Tumepewa tu kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni 55 na hii ni 70. So na hii hatuna, but hii part tuko nayo hapa. So tukuje hapa kwa 30. Tukuje hapa kwa hii. Tukuje hapa kwa hii 30. We have that here. Sorry. The whole angle of this is 30. So this angle, if we can break here, it is going to be lying on an alternate segment with this one, 30, because it is like this. So this one here is going to be 30. degrees. The whole of this one is 55. Haya, tuendelee polepole tu. We have our tangent. Our tangent is FAG, and chord DE of the circle is produced to intersect with the tangent at F. Then angle FAE is 30. I've seen it. There's something here. There's something hidden here. I had not seen that. Tuachane na hii ikae hivyo. So this one is 30. So this angle here you see is going to be 30. Why? Because this angle is on alternate segment. This 30 is on alternate segment, and this segment is the one that is subtending that small angle there. So angle FAE lies on alternate segment, with angle ABE. Therefore, this one is 30. So if this one is 30, it means that angle ABC, the whole of it is going to be 30 plus 70, which is 100 degrees. And if this one is 100 degrees, therefore AEC is supplementary. You can note that ABCE is cyclic. So if this one is 100, this one is going to be 180 degrees minus 100 degrees is going to be 80 degrees. Therefore, angle AEC is 80 degrees. I had not seen this subtension. This 30, this one. So this one is 30. This 30 plus 70 is 100. Na hii 70 mnajua ilitoka wapi? Because also this other one, BCDE is cyclic. So if this is 110, this is 70, 30, 100 plus 80, it is going to be 180. So AEC is 180 degrees, and by doing so you will get your 3 marks. Hizi hesabu sometimes zinaweza kuchanga, you be very careful. So unaona hata mimi nakaa naangalia nakosa hata mimi. So it doesn't mean that hata wewe inaweza haiwezi kosa kukuchanga. tumepata hiyo ni 80. So the whole of this one is 80 degrees. Tuiandike hapo 80 degrees. Wacha tufute hapa tufanye the next one. Roman 2 is AEB. Angle AEB. Angle AEB. 3 marks. AEB peke yake. Hii yote imekuwa 80. Angle AEC imekuwa 80 degrees. Sasa tunataka haka peke yake. Tunataka haka peke yake. AEB, this one alone. That one alone. So for that one tukuje hapa thirty. Let us break this one here. Tuvunje hii hapa. Hii ni 70. Tunajua ni 70. Kama tunajua hiyo ni 70, tukuje tuvunje hapa hivi. 10. Bas. Tumevunja hiyo hapo. Hii ni radius ni iko na hii. Kwa hivyo hata hapa itakuwa 55. Because the two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So 55 plus 55 itatupatia 110 degrees. Alafu tuchukue 180 juu haka ni ka triangle kameformiwa minus 110 degrees tutapata 70. So hii angle iko hapa kwa center ni 70. And remember we said an angle subtended at the center of the circle by a chord is twice the angle subtended at the circumference of the circle by the same chord. So if this one is 70, this one is half of 70, which is 35 degrees. This one is half of 70, which is 35 degrees. And if the whole of this angle is 80, the whole of this angle is 80, therefore getting this one alone, angle AEB, it will be 80 degrees minus 35 degrees, which is going to give us 80 minus 35, itatupatia 45 degrees. So angle AEB will be equal to 45 degrees. It will be equal to 45 degrees. Hiyo imeisha hivyo. Sasa tuende part B. Hii imeisha hivyo, sasa tuende part B. Part B. Tuko sawa? Tuko sawa? Tuko sawa? Haya. Tusonge. Tuende part B. sote turudi ili tumalize hesabu. Sote turudi ili tumalize kazi. Haya basi. Hiyo imekuwa mwecheche. Given that AB is 5. Hii sasa tunaambiwa ni 5. Then tunaambiwa hiyo ingine ED is 4.4. ED is 4.4. And FE is 2.5. FE is 2.5. Our question is, find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius. So, hapa tunaenda polepole. Hapa itaki hasira. Ni polepole. If we use this triangle, this being 5, we need to use this angle. And this angle AEB ndio tumepata 45. So this being A part E, this will be E. This one will be small a and this one will be small b. Therefore, for us to get the radius, we can say E over sine E is equals to 2 radius. E over sine E is equals to 2 radius. So our E is 5 over sine 45 is going to be 2r over 1. So we cross multiply, and when we do that, we are going to cross multiply and get 2r times sine 45 degrees is equal to 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So we will divide both sides by 2 sine 45, 2 sine 45. So hiyo itaenda, tubaki na r is, what is 2 times sine 45? Then 5 divided by answer, it will be 3.54 centimeter. Remember we were told into 2. No, correct to 1 decimal place. Correct to 1 decimal place, itakuwa 3.5. 3.5 centimeter. The radius will be 3.5 centimeter. Then Roman 2, tunaambiwa the length of line AF. The length of line AF. The length of line AF. Line AF, mumeenda kuenda. Line AF ni kutoka hapa mpaka hapa. This one is a tangent, inakuja inashikana na hii. So hiyo ni kama kusema hiyo diagram inakaa hivi. Ni kama inakaa hivyo. So kuna A, kuna F, kuna E na kuna D. ED tulipewa ni 4.4. Hii tulipewa ni 2.5. Hii ndio hatuna, so tunaulizwa AF. So the formula to determining this, we know about chords that intersect externally. It will be FD times FE is equal to AF squared. Is equal to AF squared. So FD, take 2.5 plus 4.4. That is going to give us 6.9 times FE peke yake ni 2.5 should be equal to AF squared. 6.9 times 2.5 is 17.25 is equal to AF squared. So for us to get AF, we are going to find square root on both sides, and our AF will be equal to square root of 17.25, 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 centimeters. So we will get 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 centimeters. 4.2. Kuna mtu wako na swali? Kama kuna mtu ana swali, uliza swali. 4.2 centimeters. If there is any of you with a question, you can ask. You can ask if you have a question. Kama kuna mtu wako na swali. Hey bana, na mna like hii kitu. Msione tu hapo, mna like mbaya sana. Mna like, tunaona hizo reaction. Hivyo moto mwecheche. Ulizeni maswali. Felicity, ulipata swali la kwanza? Ulizeni maswali, tumeelewa? Haya. Hiyo tumepambana kabisa. (2025) paper 2 number 5. In the figure below, in the following figure, A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of a circle center O. Line FE is a tangent to the circle at point C. Angle DCE is equals to 30 degrees and angle BAD is equal to 70 degrees. Giving reasons at each stage, determine the size of acute angle BOC. Giving reasons at each stage, determine the size of acute angle BOC 3 marks. Haya, maliza kuandika tuchore. This is the last question that we will be doing. Maliza kuandika tuchore. I hope you are done lighting. Haya basi. That one is 70. This one is B. This one is center O. This one is D. And DCE, this angle here is 30. This one is 70. Na tumeambiwa giving reasons at each stage, determine the size of acute angle BOC. BOC. So tumeambiwa tutafute hii angle. Hiyo tutapata aje? Haya. So tutaanza mahali tunajua. Hii venye imekuja hivi, pale juu ni A. Pale juu ni A. Wewe jua hapa juu ni A. So kutoka A, B, C tunaweza kuja tushikanishe hapa ili form cyclic quadrilateral. Tukishikanisha iform cyclic quadrilateral itakuwa kama hii ni 70, hii yote itakuwa 110. So tumeambiwa giving reasons at each stage. So tunaweza sema stage number 1, angle BCD. Angle BCD is equals to 110 degrees since it is a supplementary of angle BAD. That's a reason. BCD is 110 since it is a supplementary of B, A and D. So tushapata hii ni 30, tushapata hii ni 110, tunaweza pata haka. Haka, these are angles on a straight line. So angle FCB itakuwa 180 degrees minus 110 degrees plus 30. So 180 minus 140 itakuwa 40 degrees. So angle FCB is equal to 40 degrees because angles on a straight line adds up or add up to 180. So this one here is 40. So that being 40, haya tuendelee. We can kushikanisha hapa, tunaweza shikanisha hapa ngoja tuache kushikanisha hapo. So tuangalie property nyingine tunaweza tumia. Another property that we can use is 110, 70, 40, 30. Tunataka hii peke yake. So how do we go about that one? If so let's say our center is here, ziacha kukaribiana sana. So this one is O. That will still not add up. I'm checking out on one that can give us directly. $70, $30. This one is 40. It is on alternate segment with this one here. $40. But even if that becomes 40, where is our tangent? Yeah. Here it is. Yeah. Shida. Hii yote ni 90. Kai. Hii yote ni 90. Because an angle subtended by the tangent and the radius. This one is a radius. I hope you know any line touching the diameter or the center is a radius. So this one alone is 90. So if this one is 40, this alone will be 50. God. This alone here will be 50. This alone here will be 50 degrees. Because na hii yote tumeona ilikuwa inafaa iwe 110. Kwa hivyo hii ni 60. Hii peke yake hapa ni 60. Tunaenda mbali. Anyway, it's part of learning. So if this one is 50, this one also is a radius, and these two lines are equal. So if these two lines are equal, it means that this one also is 50. And this being a triangle, 50 plus 50 is 100. This one is going to be 80 degrees. It is going to be 80 degrees. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 80 degrees. Ni sikuwa naiona vizuri hapa. An angle subtended by a tangent and a radius or a diameter is a right angle. An angle subtended by the tangent and a radius is 90 degrees. It is a right angle. That is what I had not seen. So we've come to the end of our lesson. I hope tumeelewa. I hope we are now good to go with angles, properties of a circle. In case there are questions that you need your response to, these are our contacts. YouTube channel, Top Grade Academy. SMS, you can WhatsApp, +254 742 090825. You can also sign in our website www. or just go to our website topgradeacademy.co.ke. Sign in, can search this through Chrome or just click the description button, the channel's description button. You can get the website link there. You can open that link, it will redirect you or direct you to the website where you sign in using your email, you create your own password, and you can get your learning resources there. Those are our contacts. And if you want to email Top Grade Academy, email at support@topgradeacademy.co.ke. support@topgradeacademy.co.ke, and you are going to be helped. For the sake of those students who are currently pursuing or they are currently preparing for the KCSE examination 2026, private students, that is, if you are interested in our services, you can just dial that number, you can WhatsApp us, and you are going to get an immediate response. Let me wish you a blessed evening. Tomorrow at a time like this, we will meet and proceed. So kesho, tomorrow, we will be working out on what we call sequences and series. So tomorrow, sequences and series. Specifically, arithmetic progressions, arithmetic series and progressions, arithmetic sequence and series. It will take us close to 2 days. Arithmetic sequence and series, sequence and series. Sequence and series. That is what we will be doing tomorrow. Have a blessed night, have a blessed evening.